can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good, natural without no operation. My old bitch Tayin, your old too. Younger me, he wanted street stripes, but they wasn't blue. Now I'm banking on a sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the
OMG, I love the way that I styled this hair, y'all. I styled it in a deep side parting. It looks so freaking good. This is not a glueless install, even though you can wear this wig glueless. I did want to go ahead and melt this baby because it's nothing like melting a wig. I mean, it literally just melts into the skin. This thing is super melted and this wig looks nice and full and beautiful. I want to give a big thank you to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring today's video for y'all. We are doing a super melted 5x5 HD deep wave lace closure wig install. Had to do the baby hairs with it. Had to do the deep side part. She is looking so good, right y'all? If you're interested in checking out this wig, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys. And if you would like to see how I installed it today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So my wig arrived in this gold and black box. It's really pretty. I definitely would keep this to store the wig after I'm done wearing it because it's so freaking cute. Like, why wouldn't I? And once you open the box, here is your wig. It also came with some freebies. Love that. Came with this satin bag. I love it when companies give a satin bag as well because I love storing my wigs in this. It's a lot easier than the box. If the box is super cute, I'm keeping that as well, okay? It also came with this HD wig cap, this elastic band, these eyelashes, as well as this edge brush. The wig is here in this plastic bag. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. I'm also gonna remove this wig netting that is around the wig, y'all. So here is the natural texture of the wig, y'all. It is a deep wave texture and it is 24 inches long. And it is on a 5x5 HD lace closure. The excess lace has not been removed, y'all. It is still on the wig right here. The knots on this wig have been bleached and the lace closure has been pre-plucked, as you can see. Here is the inside of the cap. Here is the 5x5 HD lace closure. As I mentioned, the excess lace has not been removed on this wig. It does have two wig combs in the front, one on each side, and it has one wig comb in the back. It has adjustable straps back here to tighten the wig, and it also has this elastic melting band that has a silicone grip on it for glueless wear if you would like. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation under the lace, and I'll be right back to install this wig with y'all. I applied my foundation underneath the lace, y'all. Let's go ahead and install this wig. So I'm going to install the elastic band first. Then I'm going to pull the wig over my head, tuck in that comb in the back, and then let's pull this forward. You definitely could rock this wig glueless, but I've done a lot of glueless installs, so I'm not going to do a glueless install today, y'all. I'm actually going to move this wig to the side just a tad bit because I want to do a deeper like side parting, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and pull back this lace, y'all, and then I'm going to clip it out the way on both sides. And I'm going to use my Ebin Wonder Lace spray in the yellow can. I haven't used this one in a while, but I'm not going to keep this wig on long, so I don't need a super crazy hold. But I'm just going to apply this right in front of where my hair starts. And we're gonna wait for this to get tacky, y'all. Once it gets tacky, we'll lay the lace down. Let's go ahead and pull this lace down. I haven't removed the excess lace or anything yet. We're gonna keep that on. And I'm gonna use the back of my rat tail comb just to push it into the Ebin lace spray. And I'm going to take my blow dryer on a cool setting and just blow dry that and set it in place, y'all. Let's go ahead and get the hair out the way. I'm gonna pin it up with the same clips that I used to pin back the lace earlier. You just want that out the way. And then I'm taking my elastic melting band from Alipearl and I'm gonna tie this tight around the head, y'all. So I'm gonna give it about 10 minutes and then I'll be right back. So the lace has melted underneath the elastic band. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. And this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and take my eyebrow scissors and we're gonna remove all this excess lace. And I'm going in like a zigzag motion, y'all. Next, I'm going to take my Ebon Wonder Lace melting spray and I'm going to just spray it on my finger and we're going to tap this into the lace to melt the edges so that it blends in nicely with my skin. Then I'm going to take my elastic melting band again and tie it around my head. This time I'm going to do it for like 5 minutes and I'll be right back. So let's go ahead and remove the elastic band again. And as you can see, everything is nice and secure and melted now. So I would like to do a deep side part today, which is why I had moved the wig over earlier. You could do a side parting, just leaving it in the middle. The only problem is you can't get it like super deep with the closure. That's why I did it like this, y'all. I want the parting to be right there. I'm gonna take my Ebon wax stick and run it down the parting. Then I'm going to take my hot comb and run it down the parting as well, y'all. And I'm going to do the same on this side. I am going to do some baby hairs on this wig. I'm going to take just a few hairs out in the very front of the wig. Not very many at all, y'all. So I'm going to take my eyebrow scissors and just cut the hairs nice and short. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, y'all. Next, I'm gonna take my Extreme Pro Gel. And I have a broken fingernail, but listen, that's like the best fingernail to lay your baby hairs with. If you wear nails, you already know what I'm talking about, okay? So I'm gonna use that to my advantage with this edge brush, y'all. On this side, just keep it really simple. And I'm going to do one more baby hair on this corner here. Just so everything lays nice and flat. I love the way that that turned out, y'all. What do you think? I love it. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer down the parting area. I rarely skip this step, y'all, because I just feel like it really defines that parting even more. So next, let's see what this curl pattern is looking like. It's looking very pretty, y'all. You could definitely define the curls on this hair, but it's really cold outside, so I'm not going to do that. I think the curls already look really nice, so I'm just going to take this wide tooth comb and go through the hair just to make it a little bigger. And I'm going to do the same on this side as well. Y'all, this is freaking gorgeous. Look at this. I love it. Absolutely love the way that this install turned out, and it's super nice to actually lay and melt the lace on this lace closure wig because I have not done it in so long. I have just been doing glueless installs as of late. I want to thank y'all for your continued love and support. I truly do appreciate it. If you're interested in checking out this wig, all the information and links will be in the description box down below. If you have not already watched my last Get Ready With Me video, what are you doing? Go ahead and click the box right here to keep the party going.